This is definitely going to be a big Bond moment.
We are hoping we're going to reach the Guinness Book of World Records as the biggest explosion ever in cinematic history.
We've got 8,140 litres of kerosene.
24 charges, each of which are a kilogram of high explosive.
Each explosion has a tiny microcomputer inside it, so it's really safe and really reliable.
4 hours out now from doing the explosion.
The adrenaline's starting to flow. We're getting to that point where the button is going to get pushed.
3, 2, 1, action!
And cut!
All one shot. Come up the stairs. Line of dialogue. Largest explosion in the history of movies. Exit frame. Cut.